I've got the undercarriage from a busted old kid's wagon and I want to make a new deck for it. And my starting point for this deck is this octagonal box that I made in a previous video. This box is a little bit shallow, so to make it deeper, I'll split that into 3 strips, and I'll have those with gaps in between them to make a taller deck. Something like this. Now I just need to attach the wheels to this deck, and the way these are meant to be attached is just using carriage bolts right through the deck. But I had the idea of doing it without making any holes in the deck, using some brackets that I glued onto the bottom here. I've been keeping my oil-based varnish in a glass jar, and it kept in there surprisingly well, but the lid is impossible to get off, so I had to punch some holes in it. I thin it with a little bit of paint thinner for the first coat. I attached some shop towel rag to the end of a stick to act as a temporary brush. It wasn't a very good brush, more like a mop, but it did the job and it saved me from cleaning it afterwards. Then a light sanding between the first and second coat of varnish. I made another temporary shop towel brush for the second coat. This one worked slightly better, but still not like a brush. I am purging the container with some propane to get the oxygen out of it. This makes the varnish last much longer.